Is it better to operate a business in a company or trust? These are the pros versus cons of each structure. First, the pros of a company. Number one, lower tax rate, which will be 25% for most small businesses. Number two, you can retain profits. In other words, there's no requirement to distribute your income out each year. Number three is something to look for the future is an ownership structure. So shares can easily be sold or issued to potential new investors. Number four, asset protection. So you are going to be protected under what's called the corporate veil. In other words, the company is treated as its own legal entity. Let's look at the pros of a trust. Number one, income distribution flexibility. In other words, you have the ability to distribute to other beneficiaries in varying tax brackets, allowing for potential tax savings. Number two, asset protection. Although this is also achieved in a company, you can achieve this in a trust. And that's if you have a corporate trustee, you would then be protected under the corporate veil. Number three, and probably one that's very important to a lot of people, is that there's no Division 7A. That's because all income is required to be distributed each year in general case. Number four is access to the 50% CDT discount. However, it is unlikely that you would purchase capital assets in the same entity as your business. This might be the case and you do have access to that. So what if I actually told you that the gold standard actually incorporates both a trust and a company within the same structure? So I would recommend the following in most circumstances. The business trades in a company, shareholding is owned in a trust, and then the trust has the flexibility to distribute as per the deed or the minutes. So there's a lot to consider. Again, personal circumstances play a big part. Shoot me a message if you want more tailored advice. Let's chat.